Well, this video is going to be all about watering the pigs, and it's not something that I think most people normally have heard of or have actually done, but it's something that we've done because pigs cannot regulate their body temperature very well in heat. They can't sweat, and so what they do to combat that is they get in mud and water, and that's how they cool off. Unfortunately, at our property, we don't have a good area for them to actually roll around in the mud. So I'll tell Rachel I've got to go out and water the pigs. I'll literally just come out here and spray the hose, give them a little mud pit for the day or two so that they can stay cool. They do have an area with a lot of shade, so I'm not super concerned. They can always get into the shade, and that's usually enough for them. But anyways, this is watering the pigs. And to wrap things up, probably my favorite part of all of this is the pig flopping. So here's a compilation of all the times the pigs flop. This is probably in about 3 minutes worth of video. So it's just a thing that they like to do, is find a little wet spot and flop and roll around.